Amazfit has recently introduced a brand new wearable product. Let's take a look at the new Amazfit GTR Mini, the device in question, which has some noteworthy specifications and features. The newest mid-range smartwatch model from the firm, the GTR Mini, is now available. It has a small frame and a 1.28-inch circular AMOLED display with HD quality and curved glass protection to aid in navigating the menu and other functions. An excellent-looking AMOLED panel covers the watch's face. In reality, this watch's display is one of those features that gives you the impression that you're utilizing a high-end gadget. It has clear images and is equally responsive to touch as many other high-end smartwatches I've previously used. If you spend a lot of time outdoors, you'll love the fact that it gets bright enough to be used outside in the sunlight. The new smartwatch has a stainless steel frame, which furthers its premium appearance despite being a mid-range model. It has the appearance and feel of a product developed to compete with more expensive smartwatches available today. Regrettably, I am unable to vouch for the comfort of a supplied rubber band. You might need to clean it rather frequently because I discovered that it was also easily stained with sweat stains. You can quickly switch out the bands using the common watch spring bar mechanism, to which you may attach any 22mm watch band of your choice. Each of your sensors is located on the watch's back. This smartwatch has quite a few of them, so there is a small bulge to accommodate the sensors and the two tiny metal charging connectors. You may manage the interface with subtle haptic feedback, using a button on this side, and a digital crown similar to the one on the Apple Watch. In battery conservation mode, the Amazfit GTR Small can operate for up to 20 days on a single full charge. The smartwatch's battery life can last up to 14 days with moderate use. More than 120 sports modes, including walking, cycling, and swimming, are supported by this model. Other health-related capabilities include tracking SpO2 blood oxygen levels, stress level mapping, heart rate monitoring, and more. The GTR Mini was just introduced by the firm in India, and is compatible with both Android and iOS devices. For about $133, it will be available for purchase on Amazon India. The smartwatch will be available in a variety of colors, including midnight black, misty pink, and ocean. The Amazfit GTR Mini excels in many areas, especially considering its affordable pricing, which places it below the industry leaders. For individuals who are on a tight budget and desire a smartwatch that they won't need to charge every day, it is an obvious choice. The GTR Mini does enough to keep you active and track the crucial metrics, such as blood oxygen, sleep, heart rate, and more, without having all the bells and whistles that the Samsung Watch 5 and the Apple Watch Series 8 do. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, I will expect them in the comments. Have a nice day, and luck is definitely on your side.